Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can disable calls in the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write your comments and also put your likes. And let us get started ourselves. So friends, let's open up the phone settings to begin with. And here, scroll down a little bit, select Notifications. Here, scroll down until you find Messenger, open it up. And you'll need to turn off notifications, all of them absolutely. Now go back up to Settings. Also scroll down a little bit and select Privacy and Security. Here, go to the microphone section. And under Messenger, turn it off so you can't receive calls or video calls or messenger calls. Also go to Camera and also turn it off in front of Messenger. And that's it, folks. This is how you can disable Facebook Messenger calls on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write comments, and also friends, subscribe to our channel. See you soon.